Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick guide on how to solve frustrating date format errors in Power BI. This usually happens because Power BI misinterprets your date string. For instance, reading day, month, year data as month, day, year. Here are the steps to fix this. First, method. Fixing a specific column using locale in Power Query. This is the most precise way to handle data that comes from a different region than your current setup. Open Power Query. Click Transform Data on the Home tab to launch the Power Query editor. Select Column. Find and select the date column that is throwing the errors. Change type using locale. Right-click the column header, hover over Change Type, and select Using Locale. Set the correct locale. In the dialog box, set the data type to date. Crucially, set the locale to the region that matches the original format of your data, not your own region. For example, if your data uses day, month, year, select a locale like English, United Kingdom. Apply. Click OK. Power BI will reread the date string using the specified regional rules, correcting the conversion errors. Second method, adjusting global report level settings. If you want new data connections to default to a specific format, you can change the global import settings. Open Options, go to File, and Options and Settings, then Options. Navigate to Regional Settings. In the left pane, expand the Current File section and select Regional Settings. Under the Locale for Import setting, choose the desired region that matches the majority of your incoming data, like English, United States, if you primarily use month, day, year. Confirm. Click OK. This sets the default behavior for how Power BI interprets date formats on future imports. Using either the specific Power Query locale method or the global report level setting will ensure Power BI correctly converts your date strings into usable date types. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.